my cheesy scrambled eggs first thing on the day after Boxing Day. Right. This is the meal kit we gave everybody last week. It is an incredibly basic Italian dish that I hope families liked. I couldn't do anything more cheaply. It's chickpeas, it's pasta, and believe it or not, it's potato. So it's 3 sources of starch. We have a shallot in there, we have 2 cloves of garlic, and finally we have our magic pot. It's got rosemary, it's got olive oil, it's got tomato puree in. And you just chop, the recipe says, chop the onion, crush the garlic, cook together with the oil, and then you just add everything else. It's called pasta e secchi, which means pasta and chickpeas. It's a very artisan type dish. We put extra rosemary in as well. I'll wait to hear today whether they liked it or not. A complete change from Christmas dinner.